What's up, guys? This is Matt with Sidearm Productions. Today we're going to be bringing you a disc review. We're going to be taking a look at the Westside Anvil, a new disc they just put out. It's supposed to be an overstable mid-range, and the idea today is we're going to show you a few different players at a few different skill levels attempting to throw this disc, as well as the disc that I think this particular mold is going to be compared to, which is the Dynamic Disc Justice, another very overstable mid-range. So we'll introduce you to those guys and we'll see how they fly.
My name's Seth Crevison. I've been playing disc golf about 10 years now. Max distance is between 340 and 360, and I'm predominantly right-hand backhand.
Hey guys, Jonathan Grant. Been playing disc golf for about 5-6 years on and off. I throw right-hand backhand. My maximum distance is about 280 feet, close to 300.
My name's Matt Judy. I've been playing disc golf for about 7 years. I throw right-hand backhand as well as right-hand forehand, and I max out both of those shots right about 350 feet.
So we're talking about the Anvil today, which is Westside's newest release in their mid-range line. It's going to be their most overstable mid-range that they've released to date. So they're being released in Sweden right now. They won't hit the States until the 1st of May. The flight numbers for the Anvil are going to be 4204. Everyone's comparing it to the Justice. This is the Anvil Westside Disc X Blend, 174 gram. Lucid Justice, 174 gram.
We're going to give you guys our initial thoughts, kind of doing the comparison to the Justice.
I thought it was pretty comparable to the Justice for me, maybe at my power. It's very overstable. Might not be the disc I would use on every mid-range throw. I wouldn't say I would not have it in my bag though.
I think it's different from the Justice in the fact that it seems to have a little more glide. Both for my forehands and backhands, it seems to get a little bit more distance compared to my Justice.
I have a Justice in the bag, and I rarely throw it as a backhand disc. The Anvil is a little bit more practical of an overstable option for backhand, but if you can get it flexed on a little bit of anhyzer, you'll notice it has a lot more glide than the Justice has. All right, so now what we're gonna do is those Justices are going away. We're gonna purely focus on just the Anvil, just the new disc from Westside. right, so I'm gonna do a quick comparison of the Lucid Justices that we've got versus the Anvil with some forehand rollers.
Still going.
Oh, it's a really good forehand roller disc. That might be the only utility that I would actually put that in my bag for, because it goes really far and it's really stable, and even handling the little bumps and everything, it doesn't want to lose its stability. I would say that easily went 360 feet and curled left at the end. So the Westside Anvil, final thoughts, guys. I know we got to throw it a little bit more.
The more I got to throw it, I'd probably use it a little more. I think it's a disc that I'll have to adapt to. I definitely think it could be a good out shot for me or an up shot. It definitely gets you out of trouble for how hard it will turn on you.
It was certainly not as overstable as the Justice. It would not kick the Justice out of my bag. But I will say, this is a solid disc, and I see people who maybe throw a lot of mid-range sidearms, or guys that have a very powerful backhand are gonna really enjoy this disc.
I can just release it flat, put a lot of power on it, and I know it's gonna consistently come back. The 3 or 4 shots that I threw were in like a good 30-foot circle, so that's why it's gonna make that slot in my bag. Me as a Trilogy fan, even though it's making my bag, they were marketing this as their most overstable disc, and it didn't live up to the hype for me.
Check out the Anvil.
Comes out in May.
Launches in May. Did you hear that? Alright guys, if you liked the video, comment below. Let us know what you think. If you've thrown one, great. Obviously you could be watching this video later, so if you get your hands on one, let us know if our comparison is, valid. Obviously just comparing it to the one disc and just 3 guys throwing it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.